Thokozani mkhokho nomkhulisari kwasendoda lesukoko bathini mbathu mavula kuvala emzini amadoda u-Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. Stop comparing yourself with the wrong people. Stop it. You know, comparing yourself, it's natural. It comes natural whether you plan it or you don't plan it. Automatically, naturally so, you'll always compare yourself with other people. That's why we hear people saying, my age group have achieved this. My colleagues have achieved this. My siblings have achieved this. Usbanibani has done this. Usbanibani has done this. It's not a sign of jealousy. Comparing yourself is not a sign of jealousy. It means you are automatically challenging yourself, and automatically you are seeing ukuthi you are stuck. You are in one place. You are basically in one place. You are not moving. Your life is not going the way it's supposed to be going. You are just stuck in one place. So that's why I'm saying ukuthi it is not wrong for you to compare yourself, because even if you feel is it right, is it wrong, okusalayo, automatically it does happen. It does happen, or it will happen, that you compare yourself with others. The problem starts with not identifying your comparison. Ukuthi, are the people that you are comparing yourself with worth it? Are the people that you are comparing yourself with worth it? Do they worth it? Do they worth it? Is it really, 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 really necessary to compare yourself with these people? Sometimes, or rather, I would like to focus on the negative people that you must never, ever compare yourself with. Do not compare yourself with people you don't know how they've arrived there. Don't compare yourself with people you don't know ukuthi bafike kanjani lapho. How did they achieve whatever that you are comparing yourself with? Ukuthi, how did they arrive there? You are comparing yourself with somebody who bought a house in the mansion, a mansion in the suburbs or in a rural, doesn't matter where. You're comparing yourself with somebody who's driving a new car. You don't know how they've achieved that. That is where now the jealousy starts. That is where the witchcraft starts, by comparing yourself with people you don't know where they got their money. You'll hear somebody coming and say, Gogo, ngifuna isithwala. Gogo, I want a snake. Gogo, I want a gogo. Gogo, I want this. Gogo, I want this. My friends, I can see my friend is using something, but I do not know what is it. So now I want to show them what I'm made of. You find people saying that. And trust me, I don't think we can debate it, but I don't think it is wise for you to compare yourself with anyone that you don't know where they got their wealth from. I don't want you to be confused or to see me as confused. You are comparing yourself with a colleague. Hey, Gogo, my colleagues have achieved things. We're in the same salary scale and everything. I don't know what is happening. The things that are holding me back and everything. You are seeing that you don't know what is happening because you are sure what this person is earning with you and everything. But obviously, how you use money is different. We're not talking about budget. We're talking about negative forces that might be happening to you. So now, you are saying to yourself, okay, it's fine. I want to find out what is wrong with me. Then you we deal with that in terms of what is wrong with you. But the most people, most of us, we find ourselves competing with people using our sweat. Using our sweat. You are using your sweat to compete with somebody who's where they are because of other people's tears. They are crying where they come from. They are crying where he took that money from. When you are tired of how you have earned the money that you have based on your sweat. It's your hard-earned money. I really don't understand that logic. Ukuthi wena uthatha umjuluko wakho, ithukuthuku zomjuluko wakho, uyiqhathanise nenyembezi, nemali yenyembezi zabantu. Umuntu ahambe and buy the most expensive golf shirt. Most expensive golf shirt like mine. You see, it's brand new, like this one. Most expensive. This one, you can see that this one is very expensive. You can see now. You go and buy the most expensive golf shirt because of you've seen ukuthi uSbanibani is wearing the same or the same brand or the similar standard of a brand with yours. But their money, it's not a hard-earned money. Kuyakhalwa la le mali ayithathe khona. Where you have to work hard for what you have achieved. But yet you want to live a life with somebody or comparing it with somebody whom their duty is to wash the money. It's a money laundering. When you have to earn your money and then you going and compare yourself with people who are in money laundering. Then you feel, oh, hey, Mina, I'm not doing enough and everything. No, brother. No, sister. When you are in business, when you are working, Bona, they are not working. They are a tool of whatever money. And they are so stupid that they don't know what to do with it because they didn't work for it. All they want is to clean it. It's to clean it. It's not a request for code and then they got that small anyana tender. They're going to balance there and everything. They're eating their profits. No, the entire money is a profit because there's no stock to be bought. It's a tough one. I know. I know, it's a tough one. I know. Then, you've been struggling throughout the year. You've been struggling. You've been working hard in trying to get a job. You tried to get a job. You are not employed. You are unemployed. Maybe you have qualifications. Maybe you have a skill. You mamela uzamile throughout the year. Throughout the year. But you end up gaining an attitude that people who has money that they didn't work for has. The attitude that they have. You end up having the same exactly attitude. Gog, what attitude are you talking about? Here's an opportunity for the job. You only pay 5 rand. You're going to get a deep cleansing. A deep cleansing. There's muti that is going to be used on you. That muti, you cannot take it home with. It doesn't leave. It doesn't leave my site. It doesn't leave my compound. That deep cleansing. You are going to get treatment that you're going to continue using that is going to remove all the negative forces, all the external negative forces in your life. We are going to get Muti that is going to bring back all your luck and add on your luck as well. And Muti that's going to open opportunities for you. Sometimes you are not supposed to work, but that Muti is going to open for you to say, no, when you are not about working, you are about being self-employed. And that you're going to see happening. Then you're going to have Muti for meetings and interviews for that specific day of a special meeting or an interview. And then I'm giving you that for only 5 rand. For only 5 rand. That has nothing to do with a booking fee, whatever, your transport money. No, I'm talking about the ritual that you're going to pay for. It's 5 rand. The ritual that normally costs between 850 to up to 10,000-15,000 and upwards, depending on the type of a job you're applying for. Then you have a nerve. Isibindi esinamathambo. You know your boned liver. I've never seen it, but other people they've got boned liver, whereby you'll send a WhatsApp, Gogo, I'm far. I'm in Limpopo, I'm in Cape Town, I'm in Namibia. Do you do it for only South Africans? No, I'm not doing it for only South Africans. I do it for everyone that needs help. I'm not xenophobic. Gogo, can you send it to me via PEP, via Postnet, via courier services? Guys, such request, it's an insult. It's an insult, and trust me, you are insulting your own ancestors first. You are insulting yourself. You are insulting my ancestors, and you are insulting me. And at the end of the day, you're going to suffer alone with those insults. So, we send you stuff. Obviously, you're going to pay your money for us to send you your stuff. So we need to drop whatever that we are doing and go to PEP for you to get a job at your comfort zone, at home watching TV or being busy with your partner or at a tavern. Maybe the phone, the message of PEP store that you'll receive, you'll be at your tavern or you'll be with your partner. And when now you want to receive things at the comfort of your zone, you are dreaming. You are dreaming. We are not going to render that service. And it doesn't matter how much you are willing to pay for it. Because it means when you do have money, you don't need help. You are fine where you are. Why is my consultation 305 rand? Have you ever asked yourself that? Have you ever heard about such an amount for ancestors, for Uklola, but it's 305 rand? Where have you heard that? It's either going to be 300 or 350 or 400. But this one of 305 rand, where have you heard it? It's because these 5 rands, they go somewhere. They are not mine. The portion of the money for consultation and these 5 rands, they go somewhere. We have seen what is the money for consultation has done for you at home in terms of building the waiting area so that it's conducive for everyone. You've seen the infrastructure that we've tried to put together. It's not the best of them all, but we've tried to put together. Now we're coming up with a ritual that is going to cost you 5 rands. Where do you think I'm taking these 5 rands for? Maybe sometimes people think, hey, Ukoko wants to buy a new car. I'm fine with my Polo. I'm fine. It's 7 years old now. I'm fine with it. I'm fine with my Beetle. I'm fine with my 2021 Mercedes. Very old. I'm fine with it. Peter is still fixing it very well for me. I'm okay with those cars. And if I want to buy a new car, I'm not going to come up with some sort of a system. So don't have a mentality of people who are not working for their money, who are getting it the way they are getting it. And I'm happy for them. There's nothing wrong with that. If you get an opportunity to clean money, to do money laundering and everything, as long as you're going to deal with the consequences of doing that money laundering, it's fine. Who I am to judge you to say it is not fine to get money that way? However, if you have earned your money, hard-earned money, because other people, they get a job using 5 rand, then they forget exactly who have opened that job for them. There's a lady who said to me, no, Coco, I did get a job, but to me, I thought it's not the one you've opened for me, because this one I've already done. By the time I came to you, the interview was already done and I was already promised this job. So you are telling me when you were guaranteed you are going to get this job. So I did nothing. Why then did you make an effort to come and do a consultation with me? Why was that? Why was that? So stop comparing yourself with people who have earned money through tears of other people. Don't compare yourself with your sweat. Hey, lalela, kunabantu abalapho bekhona ngenxa yomjuluko yabo. Kwehla umjuluko ebusweni kwabo, bazuza lezi zinto abayizuzile. Kunabantu abalabe khona ngoba kwehla inyembezi. On both of you, there's something that is dripping down. On the other side, your sweat was dripping down when you were fighting, when you were working hard to be who you are today. While others, tears were falling. There was a bath of tears where they've passed for them to achieve what they've achieved. Then you want to take your same token that you have achieved through your sweat and compare yourself with these other people. That's why at the end of the day, you are left dry and broke and you are nothing. Because of what? Your ancestors, they've realized, Uguti, you don't appreciate. You have never seen, Uguti, what does those sweat meant to you, which means the sweat you went through, it did not mean anything. And I know people will say, sometimes education is a problem. Somebody said to me when I was telling them this, and they said, no, Coco, the kind of work I'm doing, I don't really sweat. It's just your office work. It's a business. It's not something that really requires me to sweat. They're expecting the physical sweat. They think I'm talking about the physical sweat. They think I'm talking about the physical tears. Sometimes people are crying with their hearts. Sometimes somebody is working hard. They are sweating, but from inside. So don't compare yourself with those two. Sometimes muti will never work for you because of when you are taking your sweat for granted. When you are using muti to achieve something, and for you to achieve something, you need to work despite the fact that you were using umuti. But as soon as you achieve what you want to achieve, you're going to spend that with people who don't care. As we are in a festive season, as we are still going to face other festive seasons, we're spending more and more time with people who don't care, with people who are glad we are where we are, with people who don't care if ever we are earning a salary or nothing. They are happy to see us not having anything. They are okay. I remember telling a person whom I thought is a friend, to say, my brother, please assist me. I just want money. I know how to do a certain imbiza, a mixture for men erection, and I know how to mix this imbiza for that. I want to do labels and start imbiza. At least it will boost me. Ever since this thing at my calling is still slow, people are still coming slow. I want to boost with something. I want to sell something. I don't want to just sit and relax and not having an income and depending, just folding my arms and waiting for somebody to come at the gate. I will end up lying to people to say, you need a chicken, and only to find out they don't need a chicken. It's because of I need to eat. I don't want to do that. Please, my friend, help me. He wouldn't. He wouldn't. But he will buy me the most expensive alcohol. He will fill up the table. He will organize girls. He will fill up the table and organize girls and buy everyone alcohol. Except giving me to say, my brother, you said you want to do something. Here's the money. Here's something. Go and do something that you want to do so that now you'll have money and everything, so that things will be fine. Then when he's drunk, that's when he'll give me the card to say, my brother, now you must also pay, so that people, they can see what now you have money. And I'll say, no, don't worry. That's why I'm asking myself, how do you get drunk? Like poop drunk. Unxile. Utahwe. While you are not working. While you are not hustling with anything. With a person that cannot assist you. With a person that can say, who cannot say to you, Lalela, my brother, I have 5,000 with C box. But 5,000 is too much, just the two of us. How about we can do something? What is it that you can do with 2,500? Rather, let's box the remaining money. Who's the friend that has ever said that to you? Who is the friend that have ever said that to you? Next to nothing. Kodwa, when you are going out of your way, you are even be told via WhatsApp group ukuthi umuntu ongasebenzi asimfica gezile, angeke sikulinde ugeze siphinde sokuthenga utshwala. You must always get ready. When your duty during these busy times, you must wake up in the morning. You must be the first to bath, because you have to go and buy those ices. You have to go and buy the charcoal. You have to fry that meat for them. Why? Because of you are nothing. You don't have money. People will gather and contribute money and say, yo, we contributed around 15,000. We got inside Tops. The way we saw buying alcohol, it's shocking how we bought alcohol. Will they put that money for you to start a business? People are happy to point at you to say, hey, that guy's an electrician. That guy was very good with mathematics at school. Can't they open a website for you so that you can start teaching their children mathematics online? Can they assist you to buy you that toolbox nyana for you to go back and do your work as an electrician, as a plumber, as a carpenter, as whatever? Can't they do something for you to learn at least one skill so that you can change your life from what you are to where they are? No, because there are people who enjoy to see you down there. And it is up to you, who do you hang around with? Sometimes when our partners, when our parents, they tell us to say, choose your friends wise. Show me your friends, I'll show you who you are. The same friends that have done that to you, if you continue to be with them, you are going to do the same to other friends that will follow you. Nawe uzofuna ukuyobacindezela because nawe wacindezelwa. People People are using Muti for wrong reasons. To suppress other people. They want to appear with expensive perfumes, with everything. Where they enter, fanele ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi ufikile ubrasi bani bani. Ocindezela abantu. There's this gentleman, I respect him so much. They call him My Soul or Mr. Soul, something like that. He's a mining guru. We used to see him posing with his beautiful cars and everything. He earned that money. And I know there are people who want to come up with stories to say, yeah, we know better. I don't care. I don't care if ever he earned it. But the story that I know, he's in mining, to me, it's okay. It's sharp, that story, and I'm happy for him. Look what he did to the guys who used to go and borrow diesel for him to run his business. With their names. With their names. With their baki. The baki will break down. They will fix their baki with their own money. In assisting him to achieve a goal of making his mining business a success. To make his mining business a success. And what did he do when he's successful? Those guys are still there. He bought those guys cars. Lalela, even if he bought those cars Unos, I don't care. But the bottom line is a thought that was behind My Soul or Brasol. It's a thought that was behind it. He bought those guys cars. Lalela, it's not company cars. Don't get it wrong. It's their cars. They are going to be in their names. So he's still going to provide them, or they're still going to continue using company cars that they've been using. Those ones, they belong to them. They can take them to their wives to say, baby, here's the car. It's ours. Why? He's one of the very few people who understand their way they are today because of other people. He did not just enjoy the fact that he is now big and forgot about people who were there for him. Whatever he's using, whether he's praying or he's using Muti or he's just his own intelligence, is working for him. Why? Because he can be able to utilize isekelo sakhe ngendlela efanele. I'm closing this. Stop comparing yourself with the wrong people. Stop hanging around with people who don't want to see you progressing in life. Stop taking drugs. Stop taking alcohol. It's not going to take you anywhere. You are wasting your time with people who want to see you there. That's why we have lots of I was. And these people who are singing I was, you only find them in taverns. You only find them being nothing. Why? Because they are exactly at the place whereby the life forced them to be. There's nothing wrong with alcohol. But there's everything wrong with abuse of it because of the purpose that people claim your body needs alcohol, we're just chilling and everything. People, they're no longer drinking for enjoying themselves. They are drinking to suppress things that they know they have supposed to have been dealing with in their lives. It is up to us. Go and chill with those friends who don't care, who are glad actually you are struggling. You are going through what you are going through. They are happy. Lalela, they are happy. Ba happy ngaloko, they don't care about you. When you think ukuthi hey, upra wami will come and collect me. My friend comes and collects me. Even your parents, they've adjusted in that rubbish relationship in saying, no, hey, his friends, they like him so much. They will come and collect him just now. Oh, she's with a friend. Oh, they like him. You know, the fact that they're working, she's not working. You never see. They're always together. They go and buy their own drinks and everything. What? Because when as a parent, you are happy your child is hanging around with people who are driving. Because you are thinking what your child will drive one day just because of those ones are driving. They are driving your child to the deep end. They are happy that your child doesn't have a car. They are happy. They are enjoying that. That's why they are picking him up or her up and going drink for. They don't care. All they care about is to collect umngani and do isn't it wrong. That's a problem. Esibhekane nayo. Thokozani. Salwa sendoda lesugogo bathini mba.